Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Scoops and welcome. Before we get started, please like me, love me, share me, but please don't abuse me. Subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of all of this. So I'm giving you sandwich yummy peanut butter and the blues, you know. That's what I'm getting. Oh, my hair trying to, what are you doing? Whoa, look who wants to say hello. So hey, you know, she's making her debut right now today. I woke up and it was on my face and I'm like, excuse me. You know what I'm saying? No phone call first. Can't just be popping up. Alright, so we got our shield on. Let's get it. So, I'm definitely in love with my film. Ooh, they give me life. It's just like, look, it's just like Friday, right? Look, yes. Oh, let's get it going. Yes. Alright. So, with my Morphe M200, I'm going to use this color for my trans. Taking my Morphe M330 and I'm gonna use this beautiful color right here, and that's gonna be in my crease. Going back into that orange, and I'm going to blend the blue out with the orange. Going back into that blue just to give it back its color. So it should look like this. Okay. So then we're gonna go right into this blue that we use for our transition. Not transition, but the blue that we just put on. We're gonna put that right there. By using a concealer, it's gonna make it like brighter. Kind of vibes. So let's go on the outside first. Really tapping it. Okay, and then going back into that tapered brush, which is this one right here. We're gonna go into the blue and we're just gonna blend it out. We're gonna blend it out so it's not so harsh. Take our ivory right in the middle. And to set that, I'm gonna use, what is this? Morphe M209. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Really packing it on. And then I'm gonna take the blue and blend this top part out. Just a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Like a square brush like this, I find it really, really good to use a square one like this. And I'm gonna show you why. This is Morphe's M113. And I'm taking this dark purple right here. And I'm gonna get some of that. And then to like make the corners look more nice, I'm gonna put that purple right there and I'm gonna blend it out like sideways. Really giving it like a different thing going on. And then I like to tap it in like that, like a line tap, and then blend it out like so. Then if it gets too crazy, you can go back into that light silver, you know, make it darker. So I'm gonna use a brush like this big fat head. It is Sephora base shadow brush. So it's a base shadow brush, but I'm gonna use it under my eyes because that's what I want to do. Okay, so let's use that blue right here, and I'm just gonna get crazy. Okay, so now that we got our under eyes popping, I'm gonna take a small brush like this. This is Morphe's M416, and I'm gonna take this color right here, top up that excess, and put it in my. Alright. So now that we cute, alright, we in there. I'm just gonna do a nude lip. It's Maybelline New York, and this is in the color 115, Totally Toffee. And I'm gonna use this Tarte, what is it? Glossy lip paint. It looks like this. Yeah, it's a sample. Cause I gotta see what's up. Say you want that gloss look, you know. Cause you know it's missing some gloss, right? But you don't want all that, just like you know, all that gloss. It's all over the place, right? So you take your gloss and you take a little bit and you put it on your high points. So you put it right here. That's where it's gonna shine at, right? Right here. You can even use the thing, but I'm being extra. And then in the middle. There. Now it looks like I have glossy lips. A little simple hack. You're welcome. So before I go, please don't forget to enter to win the mystery gift on the road to 1,000. And you know, we're getting there. This is what, like a couple of days into it. Once again, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram, which is @makeupwithscoops, and you have to tag 4 of your friends under that wonderful, beautiful picture. Look at me. Look at me. Girl, you better do it with those beautiful brown-eyed girl. You better do it. You better do it. That's what I'm talking about. You see me? But anyways, once again, thank you so much for visiting me, and I hope to see you next week. Peace.
The children paint new faces on the canvas as I write classic poems like Sanskrit. Epic, 3 letters, don't forget it. Pronounce soul, but I got soul in excess. The next best to the best, but the best ain't rain yet. So I guess we all kings, yes. A rising tide will raise all boats, but if you throw stones, nobody floats. Negativity breeds nothing but ills. That's why I paint the perfect picture with the team that I build. Say cheese and pose like a G and some gold dookie ropes like Run DMC.